Ola Electric had launched its first 3 electric motorcycles under the Roadster series at Sankalp 2024, with starting prices at 74,999 India rupees, approximately 885.21 in USD. Ola Electric entered the Indian electric motorcycle market with its debutante e-bike range, Roadster. The company recently revealed that the Ola Roadster will soon enter into production. The Roadster series was launched during the company's Sankalp 2024 event, and the deliveries will begin from January 2025 onwards for the base Roadster X and the mid-spec Roadster models. Ola Roadster. Key highlights: the Ola Roadster comes in 3 variants, Roadster X, Roadster, and Roadster Pro. The Ola Roadster comes in 3 variants, Roadster X, Roadster, and Roadster Pro. Out of the lot, the Roadster is the middle-priced variant and comes in 3 battery capacities, including a 3.5 kWh variant, a 4.5 kWh variant,